YouTube? It's your girl to Monet, back again with another banger for y'all. So today, as you see by the title, I'm be doing a DIY on how I did my nails, coffin nails. If you're interested, stay tuned. If not, still watch my video. Like, yes. So as you see, these are all the products that I use. These are used products that I already had in my drawer and everything. I got the nail polish, the jewels, all that on deck. I literally just got the jewels on Amazon Prime. So if you want to know how I got that, I'll put a link in the description. Let's see, what I'm doing now is prepping my nails. Make sure they file down all nice and neat. Make sure that all the nail polish is off, just because I want them to be neat and representable. Well, I'm only doing one hand for y'all, so because I don't like keeping nails on that long. They like irritate me. I can't do my hair with them. But as y'all see what I'm doing, I'm sizing my nails, make sure I got the right nails and everything, and gluing them on. So what I'm doing right now, I'm clipping my nails for the coffin shape. Yes, I'm using scissors because I do not have no clippers. I just noticed that. So y'all bear with me. It's the same thing, same as using clippers, clipping the way you want them, file them, and all this and that. So the method I'm be using is the dip powder method. What I'm using is nail glue, brush on nail glue. I put a coat of nail glue and I dips it in the dipping powder. I do that on every single nail 3 times. And that's it. Like, that's all it takes, 3 times. Y'all don't want to make it so thick that it don't look like your nails and all, so yeah. So after I done that, what I'm using is the activator that came in the kit. You got to be very generous with this because this is what hardens the nails, so you put very much on it because this is what hardens it. If you try to file your nails and you don't have enough of this, it will literally peel off. So make sure y'all put enough of activator on your nails. So what I'm doing now is filing my nails to the shape that I like, which is coffin. The file that I'm using is from my Walmart. You can find it anywhere literally because it's a basic filer. And as you see, I had a little peeling on my nail because it wasn't, I guess it wasn't had enough hardener on it, so I had to add more. And as you see right now, I'm tempting the galaxy look. I ain't actually like it, so I just cut it off and did my own design.
Geico is giving.
So y'all, this will be the end of this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already to join the Monet gang. And if you like these nails, give me a comment and let me know, because I really like seeing y'all comments. And thank y'all so much for the support.